Hello guys, I will be showing you how you can simply remove the seeds from your bell pepper quick and easy. Lay your bell pepper down flat and you're going to cut the bell pepper 2 times. This is the first cut, just like that. Here is the second cut. There you have it.
And she's different, always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC.
Now I will make several cuts inside of the pepper just to remove the seeds. So I will cut right here first,
Like, comment, and share.
cut here again, and I'll continue. Just like that. Make sure your knife is very sharp and be careful too. See? Look how easy that is. Wow. See? And I'll now remove this seed from this part of the pepper. The same procedure, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks for your support. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. I welcome you. To my old subscribers, thank you guys so much for supporting. My members, thank you guys so much for joining my membership. I truly appreciate you all. Thanks a lot to the viewing public. Thanks for your support. Thank you guys so much. See? So now I'll just shake out the seeds like this.
And turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever
very, very easy to do, guys.
And support the thing. Share Carla's Kitchen CC.
Thanks again. Thanks again. Thank you guys so much for your support. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here.
Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah man, click the red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video. And support the thing. Share Carla's Kitchen CC. You hear that? What me say? Run go subscribe to Carla's Kitchen CC. Yeah. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. Welcome to Carla's Kitchen CC YouTube channel. Hey, Carla the big bad chef. Always like, comment and subscribe. Yeah man, comment to the thing. Carla's Kitchen CC, best cooking around here. She's creative, unique, skillful, and she's different. Always chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen.
Here are my bell peppers. Yes guys, thank you so much. Take care of yourself, guys. Be kind to yourselves so you will know how to show kindness to others. Yes, take care. And I'm gonna see you all in another video. Bye.